Hey folks, are you ready to dive headfirst into the mind-blowing universe of GoHighLevel CRM? Well, get ready, because what I'm about to reveal will leave you absolutely floored. Do me a solid and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. You won't want to miss out on the groundbreaking content I have coming your way. Let's get started. Picture this. You're a business owner hustling day in and day out, trying to stay ahead in this crazy fast-paced world. You've got leads, clients, and a million things on your plate. Now, what if I told you there's a game changer that's about to take your business to the next stratosphere? Meet GoHighLevel CRM, the powerhouse that's set to revolutionize the way you do business. It's not just a CRM, it's your secret weapon, your trusted ally, and your golden ticket to success. Now, let's break this down in terms even your grandma would understand. GoHighLevel CRM is like having a team of supercharged 24/7, never takes a break, virtual assistants who are laser focused on helping you grow your business. It's your one-stop shop for managing leads, automating marketing, handling appointments, and so much more. Imagine having the ability to capture leads effortlessly, nurture them with precision, and convert them into paying customers like clockwork. GoHighLevel CRM does all this and more, and it does it with style. There's more. It's not just about managing your contacts, it's about building lasting relationships. With GoHighLevel CRM, you can send personalized messages, automated follow-ups, and even birthday greetings. It's like having a personal assistant who remembers all the important stuff. Now, let's talk about automations. Imagine setting up your marketing campaigns, email sequences, and SMS reminders, and then kicking back while GoHighLevel CRM handles the heavy lifting. It's like having a team of marketing ninjas working tirelessly behind the scenes to boost your sales. And did I mention appointments? Say goodbye to the back and forth of scheduling. With GoHighLevel CRM, your clients can book appointments seamlessly, right from your website. It's a game changer for client management. But here's the kicker. It's not just for big corporations. GoHighLevel CRM is for the little guys too. The startups, the dreamers. It levels the playing field and gives you tools to compete with the big dogs. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. But here's the deal. It's real, it's powerful, and it's waiting for you to harness its potential. So, what are you waiting for? Take your business to the next level with GoHighLevel CRM. It's time to work smarter, not harder, and watch your success soar to new heights. And don't forget, the link to GoHighLevel CRM is right there in the bio. Click it and get ready to revolutionize your business. Thanks for tuning in. Stay awesome.